Hello and welcome to another episode of E&D's How to Make Tech Easy. Today is a very specialized episode on how to fix a record cleaning machine. And in this case, the reservoir tank has developed a leak over years, and I finally realized that it's time to replace it because I was losing too much fluid out of the tank itself versus the pump mechanism that would put the cleaning solution here at the what they call the vac sweeps, where the record would be placed for cleaning purposes. This is the old reservoir tank, and as you can see, the oxidation has taken the clear tubes and turned them into yellow tubes. And we're going to replace this with this, which you can see is done already, but I'm going to now play it back through the sequence of steps that I took following the instructions from the manufacturer. So let's get started.
At this point, I've taken the bottom of the vacuum machine apart so you can see the new unit retrofitted into the location where the old reservoir sat. And here I'm showing you the velcro straps that would be attaching, or would attach the reservoir unit to the actual box. This is the old tube that I cut as per the instructions, and the new tube you can see there would be through a coupler attaching the two tubes together. Can't do it with one hand, hard to do it. Showing you the vinyl cement they've also provided that will enable a good seal once I've put the two tubes together through the coupler. I have to make sure the spot is dry where I'm going to be putting the velcro straps, of course, because I want to make sure they adhere properly. And this is the rest of the machine. So right there I'm touching the motor pulley assembly that you can see where the puck actually attaches to the side of the record on the other side. That's the vacuum, and that hole is where the refuse fluid will come out with the dirt. And that's the actual vacuum itself, the motor for the vacuum. And that's basically the unit. It's very simple and easy to operate. And behind that you can see the Velcro has now been attached to the sidewall with the loop Velcro that I glued with the self-adhesive backing onto the wood frame of the unit, and that's the other side as well. And you can see it's fairly secure. And now we're going to take a test.
So now we're ready to give it a real world test. Let's see how it goes. We'll do side one first, of course. Pump it up. Get the fluid in the reservoir. Put the record on the spindle. All right. Now that I've applied the fluid to the record, vacuum it off. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that's pretty good. I don't know what this is, but that's a clean record. I like the result. That's nice and dry. Now let's see if it's wet underneath. Let's see what's here. Nothing. So thank you for your time and watching the video. Pretty straightforward on how to change the fluid reservoir tank on the Nitty Gritty record cleaning machine. As you saw, it was pretty straightforward to take off the old, put on the new with the Velcro straps, and cement together the two plastic tubes, the PVC tubes that connect the fluid reservoir to the distribution trough here. Just wanted to mention one thing. I used to use the original TM7XH fluid. And now, because it's no longer being made, it's quite old, I'm using the TM8 fluid, which is basically the same thing but an updated version. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found it informative. Please like it below if you did. And I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.